Hey, hi everyone. So let's solve this question. Okay, so today's question is we need to find the unique words from the given string. Okay, so what we'll do, we will be take the input from the user, and then accordingly we need to find the unique words from that and returning in the form of, let's say, a list. Okay, so if you see, this is the data. Let's say we give the input as my name is John. Okay, so John is repeated here twice, right? So we need to find the unique words, right? So the output should be in this form: my name is. John is removed because we need only unique words. So let's start writing the function. I will say therefore unique, let's say find unique. Okay, here we will take the input data. Okay, so since we need to find the unique words, right? First we need to get the counts of each words. So for that we need to store that the count of that words repetition, right? So for that we will need dictionary. So let's define the dictionary blank as dictionary equals to this. Okay, and since we see here we need to return in this form, which is basically a list, so definitely we will need the uh, list. So let's define the blank list as well, where we will be storing these final values. Okay, so what we need to do now, we need to, so here we got the input data. We need to we need to iterate over the data, right? So we will say for let's say item in input data. So since it's space separated, right? So we can say split. Okay, so what it will do, it will basically split this input data. So we will be, each item will be like my, second item will be name, and accordingly is John. So what we will do, first we will check if this item, what we will do, we will check if this item is present in this dictionary or not. If not, we will add that value as 1. So check if item not in dict, we will say dict of item equals to 1. Okay, so this is the condition when the item is not present in this dictionary. Okay, so if it's present, we will just increment it by 1. So we will say else dict of item equals to dict of item plus 1. Okay, so okay, so let's first see what we are getting from this uh, dictionary. Okay, so let's see. Okay, we need to call this. For now, let's say I'm calling this find unique words and I'm passing the same data. Okay, okay. So if you see, we got it as my as 1, name as 1, is as 1, and John as 2. So unique, right? Yeah. So we will see if the value is equals to 1, right? If the value is 1, that means it's only present once. Okay, so that means it's unique. So what we will do, let's comment this. We will say, again we need to run our loop. So we'll say for, okay, key comma value in this dictionary dot items. So when we need to iterate and we need to get in the form of keys and values, this is the way we do. Okay, so what it will do, it will iterate over this dictionary. Okay, and it will extract the key and value from this dictionary. So we will check if the value, okay, is equals to 1, then what we will do, we will, the blank list which we defined here, we will append those values here. So we will say output dot append, and then we will append that key, right? Because we need to find the words. This is the value, so we will append the key and then finally we will return this output. Okay, now let's take this input from the data. Okay, so we will say data equals to input, say enter the string. Okay, and this is the data. Let's comment on this. Now let's run and see. I have given my name is John John. Let's give the same input. Run. I'll say my name is John John. So we should be getting the output in as my name is. Let's press the enter. Oh, I did not print that right. So we'll see print off this. Let's run this and see. Let's see my name is John John. Okay. So if you see the input string which we had given as my name is John John. So John is repeated twice. So we only have three words which are unique. My name is. So here we got the output as my name is. That's it. Thank you.